A beginner's guide to cigars, tips and tricks for new cigar lovers. Welcome to our channel, fellow cigar lovers. If you're new to the world of cigars, this video is for you. We'll cover everything you need to know about enjoying a good smoke, from choosing the right cigar to lighting and smoking it like a pro. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into the world of cigars. The first step to enjoying a cigar is choosing the right one. Cigars come in different shapes, sizes, and strengths, so it's essential to pick the one that suits your taste and experience level. Some popular cigar types include the Robusto, the Churchill, the Torpedo, and the Panatella. Once you've picked your cigar, it's time to cut it. You can use a cigar cutter, a V-cutter, or even your teeth, but make sure you don't cut off too much of the cap. Just enough to create a clean opening for the smoke. Next, it's time to light up. Use a butane lighter or wooden match to toast the foot of the cigar until it glows red. Then, puff gently and rotate the cigar to ensure an even burn. As you smoke, take your time to savor the flavors and aromas of the cigar. You can even pair it with a beverage like whiskey, coffee, or tea to enhance the experience. Finally, when you're done smoking, don't stub out the cigar like a cigarette. Instead, let it burn out on its own, or gently tap the ash off into an ashtray. And that's it, folks. A beginner's guide to cigars. We hope you've enjoyed this video and learned something new. If you have any questions or tips to share, please leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more cigar-related content. Until next time, happy smoking.